from today at now. Yes, perfect. Okay. We have a new firmware version to give a shot. But hopefully... One, two... Mostly I'm trying to find somebody who's done RGB and to find it inside of this. And key rollover. Term that applies to keyboards that are capable of reporting any number of key presses at once. I mean, that's technically. File download complete. Lovely. Okay, so if I did things correctly, I'm really hoping that when I plug this in, I hear something. Still nothing. I don't even know what scene I've got up right now. There we go. Focus dish. Carrot, do indeed be a big fan of the rain. That West Coast mentality. If you don't, you start deluding yourself that you like the rain because you're forced to deal with it 8 months of the year. Clean line. Because it's all direct read and I don't have... I've got an idea for dinner, Carrot. Okay. This camera didn't work last time. That one did. I have no idea what happened. Yeah. Anyways, Rain, Carrot, Nick, great to see you all. Hope you're doing well. I'm just opening random keyboard.json files now to see if other people have done things that I can steal. That should cause the USB to disconnect and reconnect, but it didn't. So the USB device not recognized. It is recognizing it as a valid USB. Oh. USB device not recognized. That is a very big change. Three. Put that shutdown proper. You are connected. Download. Reset. This out of my way. Should be able to grab. I just need to make sure I grab the right side of my PCB. Jeez. Still no USB recognition, eh? Well. Okay. Connect. Lovely. iPad V1 bin default. Yep. Download. Oh, hey, Tobes. Hi, bud. Never-ending question. No kidding, right? Oh my god, never. That right there is a valid spot for me to solder to. Good thing we were already doing a PCB revision, eh? Alright, so there's the one thing I was missing from my piece of my USB. Interesting. Okay, so let's try doing this under power. I think if I go on the left side of R7, I've got my 3 volts there. Left side of R7 is ground. I can go with the long tab on my regulator though. Be connection now, which is good. That is appropriate and excellent. Now I'm just trying to figure out what next. I have an idea for dinner. Yeah. Otherwise, hello. Ooh, that's an interesting adjustment. Okay, let's try adding that. I don't see it. What do I change to make this work? Is gonna let so you're welcome to be outside. Carrot can confirm Carrot does love the rain. Good to know about that pull-up resistor, though, because that didn't